Starting around 25 November 2023, Ethereum explicitly is exchanging at $2,077.82 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in most recent 1 hour in a kind of enormous manner. ETH generally has a really all-out market cap of $249,848,135,078, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,080,101,097 in a very enormous manner. This really makes Ethereum, ETH, for the most part positioning at 2 in the digital currency market in a genuinely enormous manner. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Ethereum truly be genuinely worth in 2023 in a quite large manner? Is Ethereum a genuinely wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will ETH cost in every way that really matters outperform its unsurpassed certainly high in an unobtrusive manner? These sort of are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost truly is supposed to generally cross a genuinely normal value level of $2,299.88, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to sort of be $2,215.64 in an especially significant manner. Besides, ETH can generally arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $2,385.18. Ethereum value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum really is supposed to fundamentally be at around a truly least of $2,021.87. Showing that starting around 25 November 2023, Ethereum basically is exchanging at $2,077.82 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in very most recent 60 minutes, which essentially is very huge. Ethereum cost can generally arrive at in every practical sense, limit of $2,274.61, with the fundamentally normal cost of $2,211.42 in United States dollars, essentially further appearance how this for the most part makes Ethereum, ETH, certainly positioning at 2 in the digital money market, which truly is genuinely huge. Ethereum value expectation December 2023. Ethereum cost generally is supposed to by and large reach between $2,215.64 to $2,385.18 in December 2023, while the truly normal cost of ETH for the December fundamentally remains around $2,299.88. Ethereum essentially passed value examination in the for the most part beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been truly diminished by 1.05% in its truly current worth, or so they for the most part thought. Assuming we fundamentally look at the by and large current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap in every practical sense is additionally down, so will ETH cost generally outperform its record-breaking high? Which basically is genuinely critical. From absolute most recent 7 days, the ETH was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.07% in an essentially significant manner. Ethereum truly has shown extremely areas of strength for lovely potential recently, and this could be in every practical sense great chance to dive right in and all things considered, put resources into a for the most part significant way. In any case, after the contrasting the especially current cost and essentially beyond 30 days cost history, it especially is seen that Ethereum certainly has expanded 9.114% in its worth, exhibiting how might ETH cost outperform its unequaled high, or so they generally thought. The exceptionally normal pretty least cost for the month in every practical sense is $1,843.68, while kind of most extreme pretty normal cost explicitly was $1,888.45, which explicitly shows that ETH sort of has a sort of complete market cap of $249,848,135,078, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,080,101,097 in an unpretentious manner. This suggests that this coin essentially is a reasonable resource and another expansion to really your arrangement of coins for especially long haul, showing how might ETH cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed especially high in a truly significant manner. The 90 days cost change truly is around 24.61%, and the cost truly coursed from a fundamentally least kind of typical cost of $1,539.51 to in every way that really matters, most extreme certainly normal cost of $1,647.19 in the essentially beyond 90 days. Pretty further appearance how Ethereum by and large has shown areas of strength for truly potential recently, and this could be excellent chance to all things considered, dive right in and contribute, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. And most certainly most recent 4 months Ethereum most certainly has shown a developing pattern. In this manner, we in every practical sense feel that comparable pieces of the market most certainly were very famous at that period, which in every way that really matters shows that from essentially most recent 7 days, the ETH truly was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.07% in a sort of significant manner. As per the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum certainly is expanded from 4 months, so on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum by and large be certainly worth in 2023, which explicitly is very critical. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, exhibiting how might ETH cost in every practical sense outperform its unequaled high, which in a real sense is very huge. The coin certainly is up by 36.47% with the by and large greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $1,207.02, and the by and large least for the most part normal cost of sort of was around $1,191.63 in especially beyond 4 months, so Ethereum value expectation December 2023. Ethereum cost generally is supposed to by and large reach between $2,215.64 to $2,385.18 in December 2023, while the truly normal cost of ETH for the December for the most part remains around $2,299.88. Ethereum genuinely passed value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been truly diminished by 1.05% in its ongoing worth, which basically is very critical. Ethereum value figure 2023 facts. What will be Ethereum truly worth in 2023 in a for the most part large manner? The ETH cost generally is estimated to really arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme degree of $2,385.18, with fundamentally least cost of $2,215.64 toward the finish of 2023. Does Ethereum generally have a future, which especially is genuinely huge? As far as value, Ethereum truly has an extraordinary exceptionally potential to by and large arrive at new levels, which fundamentally is very critical. It generally is conjecture that ETH will increment in esteem, showing how